Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a WhatsApp account. First, understand that this action is 100% permanent and cannot be undone. All your message history, media, and even cloud backups will be completely erased. You will automatically be removed from every WhatsApp group you are a part of. This step is irreversible, so please proceed with caution and be absolutely sure of your decision before starting the process. Before you proceed, consider backing up your chat history. This is an optional but highly recommended step. Go to your WhatsApp settings, tap on Chats, then select Chat Backup. Here, you can choose to back up your data to Google Drive if you use an Android device or iCloud for iPhone users. Make sure your most recent backup is complete and successful. This is your last opportunity to save any important conversations. To begin the deletion process, first open your WhatsApp application. Navigate to the Settings menu, which is usually found in the bottom right or top right corner. From the Settings list, select the Account option. Then, at the bottom of the account screen, you will find Delete My Account. Tap on this. You will then be prompted to enter your full phone number, including your country code. After entering your phone number, you will need to re-enter it one final time for confirmation. You will also be asked to select a reason for deleting your account from a drop-down menu. Choose the most appropriate reason. Finally, tap the Delete My Account button again to confirm your decision. Your account will be immediately deleted, and all associated data will be permanently removed. You will not be able to recover this account later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.